Hey guys, if you are not so keen about cleaning jobs and want a faster, easier way to get your driveway or patio clean, then the pressure washer is for you. Pressure washers have many uses around your home, from cleaning decking and siding to washing cars, removing mold, cleaning lawn equipment, and more. These versatile tools come in both electric and gas models, and you can get one as powerful as you need to tackle jobs around the house. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best pressure washers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best pressure washers. The 5th product on our list is the AR Blue Clean AR 2-in-1 Electric Pressure Washer. Offering a versatile experience, the AR Blue Clean AR 2-in-1 is a medium-duty pressure washer that is designed to clean your patio, house sidings, and driveways. It will spot clean any dirt, grime, or mold in your backyard. It delivers a pressure of up to 2050 pounds per square inch at 1.4 gallons per minute. The on and off switch of this electric pressure washer makes it easy to use. It comes with a hand truck design that increases its mobility. The 25-foot pressure hose and the 35-foot GFCI power cord ensure that the unit covers the larger surface area. This 36.4-pound unit is detachable from the mainframe and can be hand-carried anywhere, increasing its versatility. The AR Blue Clean comes with a removable 0.2-gallon detergent tank. The dilution ratio of the detergent can be set using a simple dial. It automatically mixes the detergent with the water as soon as the soap nozzle is connected. In addition to the soap nozzle, this unit comes with 4 other varieties of nozzles to choose from. These include a 0-degree nozzle for powerful cleaning, 2 mid-range nozzles at 15 degrees and 25 degrees, and a turbo nozzle that is great to clean patio pavers, concrete, and bricks. When not in use, you can store the nozzles on board for easy access, while the high-pressure hose can be stored through a set of convenient hooks. The AR Blue Clean includes a classic spray gun and a steel wand that can also be stored in a side hook. The trigger lock mechanism of the units removes the risk of accidental operation. Its pros are, it has a versatile design, it is affordable, and it can be wall mounted. However, the wall mounting kit is not included in the box. The AR Blue Clean AR 2-in-1 electric pressure washer is versatile. It comes with a good range of nozzles and a high GPM for its price. It can be an excellent addition to your cleaning gear closet. Up next in the 4th place is the Karcher K5 Premium Electric Pressure Washer. With sturdy casing, NCOR pump, and water-cooled induction motor, the Karcher K5 is one of the quietest running power washers you can find in this range. It delivers up to 2,000 pounds per square inch at 1.4 gallons per minute. A compact unit, Karcher K5 has 40 times more pressure than a traditional garden hose, while also using 80% less water. It can clean your car without you having to scrub it by hand. It is equipped with 2 wands. The Vario wand works best for everyday cleaning, whereas Dirt Blaster is for tougher jobs in half the time. Running with a water-cooled induction motor, Karcher K5 tends to live 5 times longer than other motors. Unlike many other electric washers that get overheated, the induction system of K5 circulates water around the engine, keeping the temperature cool and improving its performance. Moreover, the wear and tear of this unit are reduced by the auto shutoff action of the pump. Karcher K5 comes with a 25-foot non-marring pressure water hose and a 35-foot power cord. Weighing 32 pounds, this pressure washer is perfect for cars, trucks, and SUVs. It can also be used to clean your driveways and patios. Its pros are, it is powerful for a wide range of cleaning tasks. It provides value for money, and it is quieter than water-gas pressure washers. However, the cons are, it is heavier than other small pressure washers, and it takes longer to assemble. Affordable, compact, and powerful enough to tackle your toughest outdoor cleaning jobs, the Karcher K5 Premium Electric Pressure Washer will not disappoint you with its impressively good performance. The third product on our list is the Karcher K1700 Electric Pressure Washer. Another product from the known manufacturer Karcher, the K1700 has a user-friendly design and is affordable for the specs that it offers. It is filled with features to improve the way you clean. Its integrated metal extrusions, oversized wheels, and overall robust design allow you to take it where you need to go. As the name suggests, it comes with 1,700 pounds per square inch at 1.2 gallons per minute. For added convenience, it provides you with a foot-activated switch so you don't have to bend over to turn it on or off. At the same time, it has a large removable bin for hassle-free storage of accessories and personal items. Karcher K1700 comes with 3 nozzles: turbo for maximum cleaning power on stubborn areas, 15-degree all-purpose, and detergent nozzles. Its high-pressure hose is 20 feet long. When in storage, the built-in socket on the handle secures the plug, so it won't hang down and get dirty or wet. It also has a cord storage with hooks that rotate to secure the cord in place no matter how you roll it up. On top of that, this pressure washer has a low center of gravity, making sure it is stable even if you yank on the hose. Its pros are, it is easy to set up. Within 5 minutes, you can have this unit up and running. It is affordable, and the Rapid Exchange program backs it. It bypasses the hassles of a traditional repair program by providing a quick and free replacement for a pressure washer that requires in-warranty repairs. However, this unit does not come with a nozzle to adjust pressure settings. If you're in the market for the most affordable home-use pressure washer, the Karcher K1700 will be the one for you to look at. Second on our list is the Joe SPX3000 Electric Pressure Washer. The Joe SPX3000 is an ideal pressure washer for small tasks. It is a medium-duty power washer that delivers 20-30 pounds per square inch at 1.7 gallons per minute. Perfect for cleaning patio furniture, bikes, car, and grills, this unit ensures that your grill will be clean of any grime and grease, and your porch furniture would be dirt-free without any damage. This compact unit can easily manage small patios, driveways, and decks. Unlike other washers, Joe SPX3000 comes with an assortment of 5 nozzles: a 0-degree nozzle for power cleaning, 2 15-degree and 25-degree nozzles for mid-range pressure, a 40-degree option for a gentle clean, and a soap nozzle. Its quick connect at the end of the wand makes it easy to attach and remove the nozzles. This pressure washer is equipped with a 20-feet hose and a 35-feet electric cord. The wand comes with a smooth press trigger on the handle, making it easy to operate. Even your teenage kid could manage it. Most washers come with single cleaning tanks. However, Joe comes with a dual cleaning tank with the capacity to hold 0.9 liters on each washing liquid. You can also control the amount coming out of the reservoir with the help of a simple dial. With the electrically powered Joe SPX3000, you will no longer have to worry about running out of gas or draining a battery. A power source is all that you need to clean whenever and wherever you want. Its pros are, it is affordable, it is suitable for small cleaning tasks, and it is relatively quiet. However, the cons are, it is not powerful enough for a big cleaning job, and it has a short wand. Starting with a push of a button, the affordable Joe SPX3000 electric pressure washer will handle most small cleaning jobs with ease. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product is the Simpson MegaShot 3200 PSI gas pressure washer. If you are a homeowner looking for a good unit that is reasonably priced, the Simpson MegaShot is the right choice. It is the best residential pressure washer on the market. Powered by a Honda GC190 engine and delivering a whopping 3,200 pounds per square inch at 2.5 gallons per minute, this makes an ideal pressure washer for your house, furniture, driveway, car, patio, and more. It can clean the most stubborn stains and dirt. It has an axial cam brass head pump that is maintenance-free. The pump and engine together provide sufficient power and output for an average household. The heavy-duty welded steel construction frame of 16-gauge 1.25-inch steel enhances this unit's durability. Weighing at 55 pounds, the Simpson Cleaning MegaShot stands on 10-inch pneumatic tires, which are double-sealed. These tires increase its stability and allow it to maneuver through any type of terrain. The pressure washer is equipped with a 25-feet hose sufficient to clean even the most difficult-to-reach spots. It has 5 quick connect nozzles ranging from 0 to 40 degrees, as well as a soap applicator. The nozzles are easy to attach and provide a variety of applications. A downstream detergent injection system incorporated into the design makes the use of compatible cleaners easy. To add the cherry on top, this unit comes with a child safety lock and other safety features to keep your investment secure. The pressure will shut down if it gets too hot or if the oil is not enough for it to run properly. Its pros are, it is durable, it has a powerful engine, and its pneumatic wheels allow you to move the washer quickly. However, the cons are, there is no soap tank on board, and some find the water connector awkwardly placed. If you need a strong stream to clear away tough stains, the Simpson MegaShot 3200 PSI gas pressure washer is one of the sturdiest options on the market today. Its durable steel frame, heavy-duty pneumatic wheels, and the extremely robust Honda engine make this pressure washer an absolute cleaning monster. And that completes our top 5 best pressure washers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. That's all for now, thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.